Hello, Michael Sands here, and I'm with the kids from Balakatua, and we're here doing a bit of street skating today. We've been on the ramp, and everybody's getting really good at going on the flats, and now we're practice going on a nice stretch of cement, what we hopefully have someday with the skate park being a bit more built and expanded someday up on the hill. But for now, all right, guys, as always, what you want to do is get your bolts, front foot on the bolts, always back foot there. When you're on the street, really, really important for steering. You push on the heels and the toes to steer. Yeah. When you need to stop, you want to slow down, you're going like this. You drag a foot. Yeah. And if you want to jump off, always jump off back foot first, then the front foot. If you find you're going too fast, just get down. If you think you're going to fall, really, really important for street skate, get down low, lower your center of gravity, and all these corners go out to the outside, so you don't get a surprise of the car in the inside. You understand? So if you're here going like this, and then that way you have the full view of the angle as you're going in. Okay? All right, let's go. Tushar is going to pass the camera to Jonna now. Come on in, Jonna. Wait, guys, the tuk-tuk's going to be in front. Record a little with your phone. Good, good, good. Ooh.